In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send a high priority email in Microsoft Outlook. This is a great way to let recipients know your message needs immediate attention. If you're using classic Outlook, open Outlook and click New Email to compose a message. Select the Message tab, then click the High Importance button marked with a red exclamation point. This flags your email as high priority. Enter the recipient's email address, add your subject line, write your message, and click Send. If you're using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, click New Mail to compose your email. Select More options if needed, then choose Set Importance and select High. Finish your email and click Send. The recipient will see that your email has been marked as high importance, although how it's displayed depends on their email app. That's how to send a high priority email in Microsoft Outlook. Thanks for watching.